My trip last weekend in Tagayta is brought to you by Amega Hotel, which is the newest boutique hotel and mid-range type, which means it offers a bit of luxury in Tagaytay. For me, it's like staying in your yayamanin tita's house over the weekend, who would like to pamper you, to spoil you for everything you want to wish for, and but still feels like home. So it's just like being in a home, not in a commercial hotel that you would feel like cramped, you would feel like you gotta get out quick. Here, the space is not a problem. I like that the natural light comes in and comes out, and I like that it's Instagrammable, it's cute. These plants are plastic, but they do it because they don't want to attract mosquitoes, but I like the vibe. Here is the resident restaurant called Guada's Authentic Recipes. They do not use any artificial coloring or any MSGs at all, so that means all food is prepared right when you order it, so you'll have to wait for a little bit, but it guarantees that it's delicious, and most of all, it is, of course, healthy. In this restaurant as well, it's gonna challenge your perception of how to distinguish cheap and delicious dish over one that's freshly made using finest herbs without sacrificing our palate's standard of what a delicious food should taste like. Right? I just wish to eat here every day actually. This is the binakol. This is the vongole seafood pasta. This is the pizza roll, ham and cheese with pesto sauce. This is the mango roll. This is the Hawaiian folded pizza. And of course, the holistic juicing that they offer. I super duper like it. This is the view at the back, This is at the third floor. It's not yet finished, but soon they're gonna put their bar there. It's an al fresco. This is the tea, coffee, and stories. They have their own cafe where you can hang out, have some coffee and tea, and some cakes and pastries. I super duper love here. It's so laid. It has a laid back vibe. This is one of the rooms. There's a day bed. It's my first time to see a room with a day bed plus the actual queen size bed. It looks so posh, and of course it's super cute as well, right? I learned that all the bed sheets and all that stuff they use are hypoallergenic, and I really like the vibe here. In front of this is Ayala Malls Tagaytay. See, they have very good location, and this is the staircase that I super like to get up and down. So I hope you guys check the Amega Hotel soon in Tagaytay.